up, I'm too fast. Push my foot up on that pedal, then I'm gone.
Before we get into it, I just want to apologize for the mic being turned on. I forgot to turn it off, but I hope you guys enjoy it. Peace out. What is up, Panther Nation? It's your boy Kid V. We are back at it again. So today it's just gonna be a BANDLAB video. You can see my username going around everywhere, so don't mind it. So today we're just gonna be making a random beat from BANDLAB itself. So I want to see what we could actually do. Thinking a little bit of drill, kind of not, but let me listen to this. Alright, this is how it sounds. Hey. It's just a repeat of itself, am I wrong? Okay. Wow, that was perfect actually. Let's see what it has. What else does it have? No, it has bass. Yeah. Oh, it has instrument. Yeah, I want to see the instruments. Beats. Let's check out the beats. Wow. Perfecto. Wow, that actually sounds really nice. Wait, we have a beat, but do we need a kick? Yeah, you can hear it. Okay, that's good. That's perfect. That's absolutely perfect. Oh, wait. Nope, wrong thing. Alright, we have all of that. Hi-hats. Let's check out hi-hats. I like that. I love that. Oh my goodness. Everything's sounding really great. Alright, let's go straight into the keyboard. Please tell me there's keyboards, good keyboards. I'll change the key. It's in A minor? Nope. Nope. That's too low. That's way too low. Let's just C. Yeah, let's keep it at C. That sounds okay. Alright. Synthesizer. all the way to the bottom. I like using the ones that are like most popular to see how they sound. So let's see. Guys, I think we got our song. Let me see if I had it. Percussion. Okay, I'm gonna check out the percussion. Oh my gosh, guys, we literally just got our song. We're gonna keep it for 8 on loop. Yep. 8. Boom. Alright, so it's on 8. And that might be it for today. Guys, thanks. This was just a quick video. I wanted to show you how I'm on BANDLAB and all that. But, yeah. Peace out, guys.